Expectant parents nest. I'm doing it backwards. In a year, my house holds one less person. So I'm nesting for the quiet. Same instinct, opposite direction. Hey, it's your girl Kim, your resident DI trier, and the color for the week is drop cloth white. Let me tell you why. I have a room in my home where I work from home for the most part, and it's my office space. But then it has become a kind of catch all room where everything is in there. And have you ever just been surrounded by clutter and then it starts making you feel internally cluttered as if you are overstimulated and you cannot process anything else? Yes, girl. Yes. That is what this room is beginning to make me feel like. Because, mind you, I'm working from home and then I'm trying to tune out everything that's behind me. But at the same time, I'm trying to solve that problem that's behind me. And so now I've reached that point, especially with this being my daughter's senior year, where I need to solve this problem. And I think what I'm going to do is convert it to become my office and my crafting room. At first, I wanted to have a Murphy bed in there because I was like, oh, when I have guests.
Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
Girl, I don't have no guests. Not like talking about it. So I'm going to make it what I want it to be for myself, especially as, this whole empty nester situation takes place. So is this nesting or empty nesting?
Aha! Aha!
I think this is empty nesting. If you are the parent of a senior in high school or a college kid, let me know if you went through this, because you know how some people are pregnant, they're with child, and they start nesting and they start doing certain things around the house. I feel like I am empty nesting. And there are things around the house that I'm starting to do that's just like, I'm getting my space back because I've been sharing it with this little teeny bopper for 18 years. And and now I'm about to be in here by myself. Oh my goodness. It's the first time I've really said that aloud. Everyone around me has said it, but it's the first time I've really said it aloud. And so, yeah, welcome to my empty nesting series. I think that's what this is. So, welcome to empty nesting. I think it's what I'm going through. Doing the projects and I'm figuring out who I am outside of being everybody's everything. And I'm doing it before the house gets quiet, not after. If you're somewhere in this too, subscribe and nest with me. First project, I'll be taking a spare room and changing it into my office/crafting space. I'm nesting until it's built. Join me for the ride.